The Sustainable Development Goals, also known as the Global Goals, were adopted by all United Nations member states in 2015 as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy peace and prosperity by 2030. The 17 SDGs are integrated, that is, they recognize that action in one area will affect outcomes in others and that development must balance social, economic, and environmental sustainability.
The Goal 7 aims to enhance international cooperation through research and technology to access clean energy. This includes renewable energy, energy efficiency, as well as advanced and cleaner fossil fuel technology. Additionally, it promotes investment in energy infrastructure and clean energy technology by the year 2030. One in five people still lack access to modern electricity.
291 million children, that is 40% of the global population, attend primary school without electricity.
Midtown Manhattan uses more energy than the whole of Kenya.
3 billion people rely on wood, charcoal, or animal waste for cooking and heating.
Annually, 4.3 million premature deaths are caused indirectly by cooking indoors with unsustainable fuels.
The energy provided by fossil fuels is the main contributor of climate change, representing 60% of all greenhouse gas emissions.
Ban Ki-moon, former Secretary General of the United Nations, has said, "Energy is a golden thread that connects economic growth, social equity, and environmental sustainability. With access to energy, people can study, go to university, get a job, start a business, and reach their full potential." As per data published by the United Nations in 2016, 39% of the world's population does not have access to clean fuels and cooking technologies.
The purpose behind making affordable and clean energy a sustainable development goal was to ensure that all people get an opportunity to become part of the national and global progress. Energy is the key to all challenges the world faces today: climate change, food production, security, etc. Sustainable energy creates an opportunity for people to transform their lives and boost economies. Therefore, energy access constitutes a central component of the Sustainable Development Agenda.
By 2030, ensure universal access to affordable, reliable, and modern energy services.
By 2030, enhance international cooperation to facilitate access to clean energy, research, and technology, including renewable energy, energy efficiency, and advanced and cleaner fossil fuel technology, and promote investment in energy infrastructure and clean energy technology.
By 2030, increase substantially the share of renewable energy in the global energy mix.
By 2030, expand infrastructure and upgrade technology for supplying modern and sustainable energy services for all in developing countries, in particular least developed countries and small island developing states.
By 2030, double the global rate of improvement in energy efficiency.
Goal 1. No poverty. Energy poverty means that poor people are the least likely to have access to a source of power, while it is more likely that they will remain poor as long as they are not connected. This issue is especially pertinent to the sub-Saharan region of Africa, which is home to the largest population of people living without electricity access.
Sustainable Development Goal number 12: Responsible consumption and production. The need for energy consumption to become more efficient links to the broader need for resource efficiency in consumption and production, and to decouple the economic growth from environmental degradation.
Goal 10. Reduced inequalities. Energy access is not uniform across the world, nor is it uniform within nations. This goal aims to empower and promote social, economic, and political inclusion of all, which includes addressing the lack of access to energy by the poorest.
the Sustainable Development Goal number 13, that is the climate action. The challenges of the climate and energy are inexorably connected. To address the increase in global temperature, we must delink energy use from emissions by decarbonizing our power resources, that is, reducing emission from energy.
Different regions of the world face different challenges when it comes to the implementation of SDG 7 and have different priorities. For example, in Africa, equal access to electricity is still a big problem where electrification rates are low and continue to grow at a very slow pace. In contrast to this, countries of Europe and North America have achieved near universal electrification rates and have equal access to electricity, but continue to rely on fossil fuels heavily despite having the capacity for production of electricity through renewable sources. This over-reliance on fossil fuels can also be seen in countries of the Middle East and Asia Pacific. However, in these two regions, another problem is there, where there is a big divide between rural and urban electrification rates despite overall electrification rates being very high.
We can all be a part of the solution to generate a revolution in energy production and consumption by 2030. Every small action matters because when 7 billion people do that thing, it changes the world.